Guys, we're going to start a new series today, and the series that we're going to start is called Learning from Maverick. So what is Learning from Mavericks about? Learning from Mavericks is about we're going to learn three things from people that have gone on to achieve spectacularly in the field of business, in the field of government or politics, in the field of sports, movies, art, film, professionals across the board, people that me and you, all of us, admire to a great degree. And we're going to the format that we're going to follow is we're going to pick out three things that we really love about these people, and the three things that we can really learn from them and implement in our own life. Okay, so the first person that we're going to take, since it's IPL fever, the first person that we're going to take on is Virat Kohli. Anybody that knows me knows that I'm a huge cricket fan. I've grown up playing cricket, I've grown up watching cricket, and I don't admire anyone as much as Virat Kohli. Or maybe I admire Sachin Tendulkar and Dhoni also. That's a bit of an exaggeration, but yeah, Virat Kohli is somebody that I absolutely admire. Now, what are the three things that we can learn from Virat Kohli? So the first thing that we can learn from Virat Kohli is I can't think of a person that has a more burning desire to do well than Virat Kohli. You see that fire in him to win at all points of time, and an example of that is when Virat Kohli scores a century or he scores 150, and if he gets out, he's still so irritated with himself. The attitude is never to say, you know what, I scored 150, so that's good enough, I don't need to do more. Even if he scored two back-to-back hundreds in the third match after he scored the 100, if he gets out, he's still so agitated, he's still so irritated with himself. So like I've said in another blog, the starting point of victory is the burning desire to win, the burning desire to do well. That's the first thing that I love and admire about Virat Kohli. The second thing that I love and admire about Virat Kohli is the fact that he's constantly making himself better. He's constantly developing himself. Whether it's his game, whether it's his mindset, whether it's his body. So for those of y'all who have followed cricket long enough, remember a more chubbier version of Virat Kohli when he was younger, and at one point of time he realized that if he had to meet his own potential, if he had to do well, he had to raise his physical fitness. And then from that point onwards, he's worked so hard on bettering himself, got into a diet where a Delhi boy hasn't eaten butter chicken apparently for the past 3 years, if I'm not mistaken. So worked very hard on that, hit the gym every day, improved his physical fitness, and anybody that's watched cricket now will know that he's in such good shape when it comes to that. So that's the kind of second thing that I admire. The third thing that I admire about Virat Kohli is the fact that he has got such an intense focus towards what he's doing. And especially you see that particular focus when Virat Kohli is chasing a score. The concentration levels are so high that you literally feel that this person is not going to get out. It's like he can't see anything. He's ultra focused on winning. He's ultra focused on his batting. He's ultra focused on the job at hand. So these are three of many things. Maybe we'll have another Virat Kohli video in a while talking about some of the other things that are really worth admiring from Virat Kohli. But to start with, let's take these three and let's learn from them. Number one, the burning desire to do well, the burning desire to win. Number two, constantly getting yourself better, constantly developing yourself. And number three, the ultra focused approach that he has towards his work. Okay, thank you very much. Tell me what you think of this series, and tell me who you want featured on this series. We have a bunch of people that we've thought of, but we'd like to take a few suggestions from you.